All right, y'all, I'm Chef Bravo, and here we go. We're back. Today, I have some beautiful redfish, that trophy redfish. I want to make a little bit sashimi here. I have my beautiful Thai chilies ready to go. Have the sushi platter. I'm gonna put some sashimi down right there, here. I have our sushi set up. We have our bamboo roller. Wrap it in some cling wrap right there. I learned a lot of this stuff from a little bit from culinary school, but mostly just watching my boy Chris down at Sushi Song. Shout out to Chris. Respect and love for the skills. Get your nori paper right there. And I'm no like specialist at rolling sushi or anything like that. We're gonna take some of this Philadelphia cream cheese, some of this avocado, some of this cucumber right here, and that redfish, and we're gonna make it happen right now. Here we go. All right, so just like that, take this avocado, through just like that, boom, just like that. We have this bad boy over here reserved, perfect. This bad boy just like that. Go ahead and peel that bad boy just like that. Yeah. Okay. Paper towel. Clean your knife off so it doesn't stick. Okay. Like that. Boom. Got all that right there. Serve this over here. Okay. Keep clean blades. One thing I always see Chris do, my sushi chef back in Deerfield Beach, Florida, all the time. Chris always cleaning that blade, making sure everything is right. This is a nice piece of belly meat right here. Going ahead. Let's see here. Just like that. Beautiful. Take that just like that. Little extra piece off right there. Beautiful. Yes. Pick those pieces up. Just little extra pieces for the pups. Oh yeah. Just like that. Save those. Okay. It is just like that. And beautiful belly meat. Like that. There. Just bring bad boys up. Beautiful. Come right here. Now, just some rougher pieces. Doesn't matter. You're in the privacy of your own home. make you some nice, beautiful pieces. So just like that. Take that. That right over here. Oh no, just like that. Just like that. Beautiful. Piece off just like that. Beautiful. There's more piece of redfish sashimi. Beautiful. Alright, here it is. We have our loin. Going ahead and take this right there, that upper loin piece. Just take that select piece right there. Yes. The select piece right here. Beautiful. Just cut that just like that. Just nice and long pieces like that. For sushi. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. One more piece just like that. Just like that. All right. And now cut that. Cut that. Absolutely. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna go over here, wash your hands, wipe your hands a little bit. Go ahead and open this up. Some of that good old-fashioned Philadelphia cream cheese. Not backed up. Good. Beautiful. Just like that. Just like that. Bam. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so take a piece of nori, put that right on there, and we start to build. Okay, your layer of cucumber. Okay, so just kind of picture it where it is you're gonna start. So let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna start like right here. Okay, perfect. So let's do this like this. Cheese right there. Okay. Take my fish. Beautiful strips of fish right here. Turn that just like that. Look at this beautiful, beautiful redfish. Okay. There that is. Okay. Nice and easy. Okay. So now I'm gonna start. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna start. Okay. Continue. Okay, just like that. We have a roll. Easy. Seven. 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 Easy. Okay. Right. And like I said, I'm by no means a professional sushi chef. I've been told Chris a million times. I love his work. He's put in 7-8 years, something like that, into his craft. It's amazing the work that that sushi chefs can do. They're surgeons with those knives. Respect to Chris at Sushi Song, Deerfield Beach. Thank you for all you taught me. And just like that, there you have it. Some redfish sashimi, redfish belly, Thai chilies and fish sauce, soy sauce. This right here is a Chef Bravo trophy redfish roll. It has cucumber, avocado, Philadelphia cream cheese, and fresh caught Galveston North Jetty trophy redfish. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Shout out to Chris and much love to my SoFlo family. We'll see you guys next time. Respect and love. Oh Lord, thing of beauty, the Sapporo Premium, the trophy redfish roll, Chef Bravo style with the Thai chilies, the redfish sashimi, all fresh, just caught out of the Galveston Bay just the other day. Oh man, I can't wait to try this. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Until next time, respect and love.